scared. I is a pronoun. Testing 1, 2, 3. Today is about pronouns. Pronouns are short words that can replace nouns. Pronouns help us not to repeat the same noun over and over again. So these are the pronouns that replaces the subject in a sentence. I, he, she, it. I'm not done yet. We, as in we're waving at you, you as you're the best, and they are doing jumping jacks. For example, Lili likes to use her skateboard. Lili knows many tricks. If you replace Lili with she, you are correct. Lili likes to use her skateboard. She knows many tricks. We have Matt repeated in these two sentences. How can we make these sentences better? Matt loves to play soccer. Matt runs fast with the ball. Did you say Matt can be replaced with he? You are correct. Matt loves to play soccer. He runs fast with the ball. The pencil rolled out of the table. The pencil was yellow and new. Which pronoun can we use for the pencil? That's right. Pencil can be replaced with it. The pencil rolled out of the table. It was yellow and new. My sister and I were having a bake sale. My sister and I sold cakes and cookies. Which word can we use to replace my sister and I? If you said we, yes, my sister and I were having a bake sale. We sold cakes and cookies. The girls are at the Magic Kingdom Park. The girls are having lots of fun. Which pronoun can we use for the girls? If you replace the girls with they, awesome. The girls are at the Magic Kingdom Park. They are having lots of fun. The subject pronoun you can be used for one person. You are so funny. The subject pronoun you can be used for more than one person. You are the best students I have ever had. Lili is scared. What pronoun should I use if I'm talking about myself? Lili is changed to I am scared, and I don't like Halloween movies. Let's review. Personal pronouns replaces a noun in a sentence. Subject pronouns are you ready? Say them with me. I, he, she, it, we, you, they. Oh, show them who's scared around here. Great job today. You did awesome. You deserve some fireworks. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Goodbye for now.